Se corri come me o corri con me, magari io e te lo sai. Potremmo star soli da me, magari stanotte buttarci in spiaggia con un narghile. Vieni con me, cerchiamo un altro.
Hi lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. And of course, if this is your first time, thank you for watching. And listen, everyone is welcome on my channel. Everyone. It doesn't matter where you are from. As long as you're a human being, you are welcome on this channel. To please subscribe, and I want you guys to be inspired every time you watch my videos. And so guys, as promised, I said I was going to come back today to give you guys a little bit more details on the PAX wardrobe system. As you can see, it is very beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm still trying to get used to the space and used to all of this. It's really, really, really lovely. And number one, you have to just make sure that you are on budget when you're planning your wardrobe system. You have to make sure that your space is available where you want to build the system as well, whether that be a space in your bedroom, the basement, a kid's room, a spare room. You have to just make sure you find a proper space where you want to just redesign. Number three would be your measurements. Your measurements are really, really important because on the IKEA website, you can, if you are building this yourself from scratch, there are two sets of frames. 35 centimeters width by 201 or 58 centimeters wide by 236. These are the two options you do have. However, you can also pick a already built wardrobe from their website and redesign it yourself. But I don't really think you do have an option of choosing the size. I'm not quite sure, because if it's already built, you already have the width and the height, okay? So these are things that you need to think about. Also, if you want to enlist the help of the creative designers to help you design your wardrobe, you can also do that. And again, if you want to build this yourself and redesign on their website in that blank space, you can go right ahead. Also, if you want to anchor this to the wall, go ahead. If you want to remove your baseboards, go ahead. And so the gentleman who installed this wardrobe for me, and I said, listen, number one, I do not want any holes in my walls, and secondly, my baseboards are not going to be removed. So this is anchored to the floor, and it's not like deep holes, it's just anchored firmly to the floor. And this is one heavy solid closet, so it's really, really beautiful. It's not going anywhere. And of course, I do have one of these pull-out drawers. I'm just going to pull this out. So this is where I do have all of my jewelry. Well, not all of my jewelry, some of my jewelry. And of course, you know, you just goes back in just like that. And one of the things that I do love about the drawers is that when you close it, just like that, it closes itself. Pretty magical, isn't it? Love it. And again, this is 100 centimeters wide. And the other two frames that I do have here are 50 centimeters wide. And I really love the way the layout is like in this corner with the little lamp in the side. It looks really, really pretty. So these are just some things that you need to think about as well. And of course, if you are planning on picking a corner frame, let me just repeat myself. If you want to pick a corner frame, you need to pick the frame that's on the website, but you also need to add a 75 centimeters frame. This is what I had built on the website, including these two shelving units, which means I would be able to hang my clothes. And this was supposed to be in the corner. So obviously what I did receive is one part of the corner wardrobe, which is the 50 centimeters. So I needed a 75 to just make this work, because this is too big for the 50 and it is too small for the 100, right? So obviously I needed a 75 to for this to fit so I can hang my clothes. And so the guy was like, well, what do you want to do? And I said, listen, let's just work with what we got. Just put this here, put that there, and we're done with it. But when he was finished, I was so extremely, extremely pleased with the way this turned out. I stood in this room and I was just staring at the place. I'm thinking, this has just transformed this room into something I never knew could happen. So these are some things to keep in mind if you are planning on getting one of these systems. It's really nice. You have to think about if you want to put this in your beauty room, your kids' room, for your basketball shoes, for your ornaments, for whatever it is you want to do, for books, anything you want to do. You just have to decide what you want to do with this PAX wardrobe system. So I do hope that this was a little bit more helpful for you guys in picking and choosing and planning all of that for your pet's wardrobe system. I would really encourage you to take your time and again budget well, and it's going to be fine. It gives you a beautiful, lovely background. The room is nice and white. You feel really good about yourself. It's an amazing experience. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you learned a few things from this video as well today. Sound off in the description box. Let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned for more videos. I have another video coming up on Sunday. I have no idea what it is. It's going to be something that's coming up on Sunday. And I shall see you guys in my next video. So take care and have a fantastic day. And I'll see you guys soon. Toodles.